Okay, so we're down here in Madera, visiting the planned 1449. This is a 2-car garage and a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's about 1,449 square feet. This is the hood right here that we're looking at. Okay, giving you guys a selfie eye view of the neighborhood. Okay, and right here, this is the home. All right, so let's go spin around, check out the property real quick, and do a walkthrough. You see there's some really nice tile roof, pretty well built, pretty quality built, and it's pretty nice. I feel like it's very sturdy. Okay, if you're looking for a home here in the Kbhome, what you're looking at is about $255 to $260 a square foot. All right, so this is kind of like the living area. As we enter, we have recessed lightings, modern lights. Okay, we have the bedrooms on the left side of the house. We have the kitchen all the way back there, and then we have the backyard and everything. Okay, pretty bright, modern tile flooring, which is nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the bedrooms real quick on the left side. As we enter here to the left side, we have one bedroom here. It's really nice, good sized bedroom. And then as we enter here on our left side, there's a closet, and on our right side there is a bathroom. Okay, super nice bathroom. Okay, and a coat closet right here, and then laundry room, and then we have a bedroom.
What's the square feet of this one?
Bedroom, and then as we go forward, we have the master. Okay, and then we have a shower right here on this side. Okay, we have the shower. We got the beautiful marble shower tiles, and then the marble flooring. It definitely feels higher quality for sure. Okay, and then over here we got the walk-in closet.
So they said there's an option here to
Walk-in closet.
vanity if you wanted
Okay.
to. So you can do
So let's keep
bedrooms
going.
space.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me, guys.
That would be an upgrade.
Okay.
And then
Okay. We got the kitchen. Okay, kitchen. We got a pantry, and then we got a dishwasher right there. Hasn't been installed yet, but I think they're just repairing it. Nice backsplash. Whirlpool appliances. So these, and then we have a pantry right here. For the size of the house, it's pretty well built. If you're looking at it from a standard point of view. So the lot size is still pretty big. It's about 5,000 to 6,500 square foot lot. So yeah, I mean, much it for this property. Hope you guys enjoy this video. This is the plan 1449 down here in Madera, the Kbhome. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let's go on to the next property.